Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about social geography of Myanmar. Let's go. So, social dimensions and migration patterns of ethnic groups in Myanmar, and the customs of ethnic groups in Myanmar. Know and explain the distribution of population according to the topography in Myanmar. Know and discuss the growth of population from the time of the ancient kings until now, and knowing the population ratio by state and region in Myanmar. To analyze the distribution and cultural customs of ethnic people. So, we're going to talk about Myanmar's population and distribution. So, this is the lesson introduction of this. So, the main factor determining population and distribution of Myanmar are climate, landforms, topography, soil, accessibility. It means transportation, and urbanization and economic activities. Areas with good transportation and easy to cultivate are densely populated, while mountainous areas with difficult transportations are sparsely populated. Example, the states of the Nindari division are sparsely populated. Myanmar's population and distribution. Myanmar is composed of 7 states, 7 regions, and Naypyidaw Union Territory. Yangon region has the largest population with a population of 7.4 million, and the second largest population is in Irrawaddy region with a population of 6.2 million. Gaya State has the least population of 0.8 million. Let's see why. According to the 2014 census, Shan State, Yangon region, Irrawaddy region, and Mandalay region and Sakai regions are the most populated and the largest country, accounting for 60% of the country's population. Other densely populated areas are Sitwe Plain in northern Rakhine State, Mola Myai Plain and Coastal Plain region of Mun State, and the plains of the Sadam River Basin in Bago region. The regions and states with the least population are the Nindari region, Gayar State, Chin State, and Karen State, and are only 7.2% of the country's population. Complete and good economics fundamentals, good transportation, the flat plains, and abundance of arable land are the reasons for the dense population. Key points. There are 7 regions, so this is basically just a summary of the one that I just read and explained. So these are the key points. There are 17 regions in Myanmar and 17 regions and Naypyidaw Union Territory. Shan State, there are Shan State, Yangon region, Irrawaddy region, Mandalay region, and Sakai region are the most populated in these 7 regions in Myanmar. Karen State has the least population. Karen State and the Nindari region has the least population in Myanmar. They are the least states that have the least population. The main factors that spread the population are economic-based, transportation, flatlands, and arable conditions, like the one that I explained at first. So these are the questions of the whole PowerPoint right now. So I will put the answers down the comments and down the description, and you guys write the answers in the comments. These are the questions to write us if you want to learn more about Myanmar and know more knowledge. So the distribution of the population in Myanmar mainly depends on which factors. The one that I explained at first before the slide, before this one. According to 24 census, list the states and regions with the highest population. 3. Describe the states, regions with the highest and lowest population and explain why. So I'll be putting answers down the description. So hopefully you guys can check the answers after you guys are done answering. Let's go next. Population and size. This is the lesson introduction of population and size. So we'll know that there was no census during the time of the ancient Burmese kings. The census was taken for the first time in 1891 in Myanmar. The national census was conducted in 2014. Population size of Myanmar. During the time of the ancient Burmese kings, no census was taken, so the exact population at that time is not known. Around 1800, the population of Burma was estimated to be over 4 million. The first national census was taken in 1891 with a population of 7.7 million. During the British era, the census was taken every 10 years. After the independence, the national census was conducted in 1973. It was collected twice in 1883 and in 2014 the population was 51.5 million. As of 2018, the estimated population is about 53.9 million, but we're not exactly we don't really know the exact location, so it's estimated. So this is the census year and population of Myanmar. Census year and population in millions. This is actually 7.7 millions, but I just mentioned it right here, so I didn't write it in here. Census year 1891, population 7.7. 1901, 10.5 million. 1911 to 21.1, 21 up to there. 12.1 million. 1921, 13.2. 1931, 14.7. 1941, 16.8. It's getting larger and larger because of the sparse factors. 1973, 28.9 and 18.3. I mean 19 point. I thought there was a decimal point in there. It's 1983, 35.3. I got mistaken with the population right here. In 2014, 51.5 million. So here is the population and population percentage of states and regions. Sorry for the error right here. It's a typo. So here I will not be reading this anymore because as you guys can see in this table, because there are a lot of states in here and a lot of numbers to read. So here is the table of the population and the percentage of a population. And here you go. And you guys can read it by yourself by pausing the video. So the key points. During the time of the ancient Burmese kings, no census was taken, so the exact population was not known. Around the year 1800, the population of Myanmar was estimated to be about 4 million. Census was taken for the first time in 1891, and after independence, this country's population census was in 1973. So to follow up the census was also conducted in 1983 and 2014 as well. Like I said in the one before this slide, and the estimated population of Myanmar in 2018 is about 53.9 million. So here are the questions that you can practice, and I will be putting answers in the description down below, and you guys can just drop your answers down in the comments. So 1. State the year in which the census was taken for the first time. 2. State the year and population of the last census in Myanmar. Drop down the answers. Thank you.